to you. You seem very disappointed rather than happy. Ke a bona Makhosi a thabile. Ka wena ha o happy. Dintshang?
Makhosi bese na loser. Sibadala isilo
Ba tshwanetse ba re 0 points again.
Zero. Ke group stage ne?
Yeah, ke group stage.
Asantshwa mafelong a trafol. 0 points because asibadi isilo and like they were taking mara like no goals.
No
Zero.
goals, ne?
Ile gole la mafelo ke mahala. E shetse ke re ka tsama le tona ke di bus.
And you got a goalie ya mafelo le korele ke mang? And I'm sure you were so upset.
Disa-
I
was so disappointed. Because like bebadala bona ne, but like there was no end product.
Yeah.
And the team made a chance. They were taking their chances.
They were taking their chances.
They were.
Yeah. So you think Kaizer Chiefs were rather not too clinical with their chances that they had, because they did have chances at the end of the day.
And a lot.
A lot of them, eh? So ya no ba bona ba fetsa di group stages ba le number bang?
0 number felong.
Ka 1 point ya ba ikreileng.
Kwa fast. Fast molao.
Mo ba felelong.
Felong.
Felelong, ke le botsa ka ne.